Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. We have several ways to do this screenshot. The first one is by using the combination of the power button and the volume down button. If you press both of these buttons at the same time, simply press, you don't have to hold it, just press like so. We will take the screenshot. Another way to do this, to take the screenshot, is by using the gesture. However, we need to make sure that the gesture is actually enabled. So you might need to go to the settings. And then over here, we need to go to advanced features, motions and gestures, and make sure that palm swipe to capture is enabled. If not, tap on this slider on the right side. And then you can take the screenshot by doing this kind of gesture. Let me actually do this one more time. There we go. So this is how we can also take a screenshot. You can also use the button in the quick access as long as it is added there. So you can swipe twice from the top towards the middle. And over here you might be able to find take screenshot button. If you press it, then you will take the screenshot. If the button is not there, in this menu you can press on this pen and then over here choose the edit button. And over here you will have available buttons. You need to find the take screenshot button and then simply press it in order to add it over there. Then you can press done, go back and return to the quick access in order to find the button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.